US government don't warn their citizens not to travel to Enugu, Imo State and other states in Nigeria. They say Ohanaeze and Ndigbo have condemned the killing of military personnel and burning their vehicles in Mbano. Hello my people, welcome back to Balabas Gist. If today is the first time you are coming across this wonderful channel, you are highly welcome. Today we are going to look into the so many news we will get for our table today. But before we continue, if you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, what are you waiting for? Or you may you hurry right now, go subscribe to our YouTube channel. Very, very important. Because if you don't subscribe, you turn on your notification bell. So at any time we will upload, you will be the first person to get them. Let's go and look into the Ogwenge news we will get for hand today. Things are really happening. They say Biafra Liberation Army commander don't come aside, send clear message to say pray and for a successful journey. I have shared information before. There is an attack today to neutralize some Nigerian military. I'm going to play you the video of the Biafra Liberation Army commander. Then before we come and continue, look into the other news we will get for hand today.
Friday 22nd. N'ime ọnwa Septemba 2023 anyị ji ohere ọma wele wetara mba niile ozi a wele agọcharakwa ọfọ maka na o ji ihe nwata weli aka elu nke ikpeazụ aka marụ ya anyị amajiri ya once maka na obere gbu a ga-egbu onwe ya onye isi anyị na-awa aja ọya ji nke wee chụọ ụzọ ga-echekwaba anyị na Eke, ụzọ ga-echekwaba anyị na Orie, ụzọ ga-echekwaba anyị na Afọ, ụzọ ga-echekwaba anyị na Nkwọ. Anyị la na ụbọchị la anọ all life and direct. You dey play the show.
Hello my wonderful people, welcome back. As I have watched that video and heard everything we talk, according to that presentation was actually a prayer in Igbo language. Let's go and look into what Ohanaeze Ndigbo have said concerning the killing going on in Imo State. They said the President General of the Ohanaeze Ndigbo Social-Cultural Organization Ohanaeze Ndigbo Worldwide, Chief Emmanuel Iwanyanwu, has condemned the killing of security personnel and a subsequent burning of house and the property belonging to the resident by Nigeria soldier. Things are happening. Ohanaeze don't come outside though. Contour say may condemn him and say may Nigeria army stop burning the house belonging to the resident. That is their pattern for a long time now. So so more details of this, I'm going to leave the headline so that you go and read more detail in this. US have warned their citizens against traveling to Enugu, Imo, Borno, and 15 other Nigeria states for the rate of bandits and terrorism and the kidnapping on the state dimension. Advised their citizens against traveling to Borno, Yobe, Kogi, and northern Adamawa states due to terrorism and kidnapping. Bauchi, Gombe, Kaduna, Kano, Katsina, Sokoto, and Zamfara states due to kidnapping. Abia, Anambra, Bayelsa, Delta, Enugu, Imo, and Rivers State, with the exclusive of Port Harcourt due to kidnapping and armed robbing. as well in this state that they have mentioned. So this is the advice that US citizens, US government have given to their citizens not to reconsider, not to travel to this state that we mentioned right now. So we'll see more, and I will bring them. Can't give on. Let's go and look into the next Ogbonge news we will get for hand today. Stay tuned as they bring and they come. They say Nigeria Army don't vow, say the go must revenge the death of those people where they kill for him member. No be smart, no. We'll go look into the details as they talk. They say Nigeria Army vow to track down the killers of JTF team member in Imo State. No be smart, no. That's what they talk. Most say they must track down the people we kill by their members. No be smart. Let's look more details of waiting they go on today for the countryside. Stay tuned as they bring the headlines they come. Say the Nigerian military don't come aside again. Come talk say the incident will happen today. We say the terrorists and bandits invaded one university for inside Zamfara, and they say those university girls where they kidnap, say they don't rescue 6 for inside. Nigeria Army rescue 6 adopted female students of a federal university that was adopted today. They say they don't rescue 6 of them. This one where Nigeria Army rescue them sharp. Wow, congrats to the people where they rescue sharp. Let's look more details of waiting. They say Nigeria Army don't come aside on Monday. Come claim say they don't finally end sit at home, and IPOB don't see come aside. Come tell them say na lie. Say sit at home is still going on. So this is what is currently happening right now. Some time ago, if you remember, these people are full of propaganda. They sell their market with propaganda. So if they look you, they can clap on you. Maybe when they observe you don't have that kind of weapon they have, then you see them coming and they will singing. This Operation Udoka. Why did they show when they are coming and when they are singing? I'm coming. Like the time they invent the Mazin Namdekalo's resident. You see how they are coming and singing because they know that the people don't have any weapon. But this right now, they no longer make noise again. Hey, we don't hear, kill them. We don't hear that one again. But the question is that, they ask a simple question. These guys ask a question. And that video, I'm supposed to play you that video here, but he always like to use other people's song on his video. So playing it here will give us violation. So that's why we don't play the video. He said one thing today, that one of the Biafra Liberation Army, he said that we are not afraid of Nigeria Army when we have flag in our hand protesting. He asking them this question: do you think that we will be afraid of them when we have gone more than what they have in our own hands? When you look to that question, the question is just clear. The message is just clear. Those guys, we see police, we see army coming, they keep on raising their flag and start singing, becoming. Do you think that these same people that they are not afraid of you, some stand, I ask you to kill them and you kill them, they die peaceful and go? Do you think that those people that are doing like this will be afraid of you when they have gun? They will be more dangerous. They will be more dangerous if they have gun in their hands. So this life is being army doesn't stop you of reasoning well anymore. So if you are about to risk your life, you have children, please make sure you keep something out for them. I don't support them killing you and I don't support you going to kill them. But what we are saying here is that let the authorities do the needful. You people negotiate with bandits. You people negotiate with terrorists. Why can't you negotiate with Mazi Nnamdi Kanu and negotiate with IPOB, ESN, and other group that is fighting from Southeast? This is the question that our leaders, who call themselves our leaders, our governor, refuse to ask the federal government. If you can be able to negotiate with bandits, with the terrorists, why? What? A reasonable Nigeria should ask this question. What is stopping you people to negotiate with Nnamdi Kanu, with the ESN, and other armed men from Southeast? Rather, go and kill them. Go and kill them. Nah. It's not a time you show that your power anymore, because those guys have the same thing that you have, and they are more. They're everywhere. So how many army do you have to fight in Thailand? Even the youth self don't even join anymore because they get something busy, something very, very important doing. And the guy also, the Biafra Liberation Army also said something. He said that the military they had is to negotiate with the terrorists to fight along with them in Southeast. And what is happening and making everybody to believe in that thing he said. Hello, my wonderful people. Now, so we'll see you for today, and now here we go end up. I beg, don't forget to share this video. Very, very important. We will see you for the next update.